Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Mobile Freak and today we will test this device which is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite with Snapdragon 855, 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage in PUBG Mobile Legends game, and the graphics I already set to smooth and extreme, and I really want to see is there will be 60 FPS constant without any problems. Of course, we can put something like HDR and extreme or something like ultra HD and ultra frame rate, but we don't want to kill our device. We only want to, make some great performance, because I already tested Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, I already tested Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and they have same chipset but Exynos variant, of that chipset. So yeah, I want to see right now, is this a real deal for the money or it's not, because 60 FPS is not a good on that S10 Plus and Note 10 Plus Exynos variant. Of course, I didn't test any of them with Snapdragon, which is pretty bad, but we are in a country where we only can buy Exynos variants, so Snapdragon can only be, bought in some other country like America and some others. I don't know which, I think Korea or something like that, but I think not Korea, but some other countries can buy Snapdragon in store, And right now I will see, is this a deal breaker for someone or some you guys here, because if they give you just a low-end CPU over this Snapdragon 855, you will know that. But if there is no real 60 FPS option, you can go with Exynos even, because it make a same result, But if it make 60, you just, support people who don't care for performance, like Samsung give us Exynos. We don't want Exynos, You understand what I want to say. So right now we will see the real deal here. Or maybe not, who knows. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go up, no. Just from this one, I can say the results are even better than S20 FE Exynos variant, of S20 FE, of course. Because this is near 60 FPS. It's 60 FPS, but it's not, like constant 60 FPS. But it's much better than S10 Plus. And it's a really, look at this. Just instant. You need to try that on your device, whichever it is, just try if you can get this, because when you just going like this and when you press, it's just instant, you can try to play your best. But if you have something like you press and then just now, that's pretty bad, because if you really want to play something great. You don't want to do everything from yourself and then your device will sabotage you, which is pretty bad, you know, if you ask me. But this one won't, because it is best for the money, you know. Of course, for the money. And if you want a real ultra, real ultra 60 FPS, your choice will be iPhone, trust me, because it's the best 60 FPS I ever had on any smartphone. And it was iPhone 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. XS and XS Max are great, but they are not like 11 and 11 Pro models, which are just a little bit better, you know. You are really good to go with them, and even battery is amazing on them. Also, we're talking about 11 and 11 Pro Max. 11 Pro will be just average battery. This is pretty good, guys. This is really pretty good. I don't have any problems to play on this device. It's really pretty good. Okay, let's go there. I need someone to kill. This is pretty boring for now. I really need someone to kill. But I really don't want to fly in paradise and die like around 2 seconds after we start the match. And I can see there is a bot in the middle. But I can kill him, but I don't want. I saw he is there. I need to go there so I can kill somebody. Or someone will kill me, you know. Whatever, just let's go. M24, I really need that one. But I don't have scope. Maybe 3 times. Yeah, thank you very much. Let's go right now in that direction. Someone is here. Oh, I can see them. I can see them. Oh my god, back. I heard that one. Oh my god. I heard that one, but I was like, no, I don't trust to this kind of speakers. Oh my god. And that one is even really bad because he didn't, you know, shoot that well. He needed around 2 seconds to kill me from my backs, you know, which is pretty terrible for some player, but still I didn't saw him. You know, this game really need to be played with headphones. That's the key. If you don't play with headphones, you're like wasting your time playing this game, you know. It's pretty hard to do, because right now this player can hear someone is here, you know, only if he had headphones. If you don't, you cannot hear that on this speaker. It must be 10 times louder so you can hear that. And that's pretty much it, guys. This device is brutal for PUBG. You don't have any problems with it. And if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to it, you know, help me to reach that 7K goal, and we will see you in the next one. Peace!